effective until 3 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties: